This is my purse dog, Andy. Andy's super smart. Right, Andy? Andy, stand. That's just one hand. Come on, stand all the way up. There you go. That's a good stand. Good boy. Look at that. Good stand. Super smart. Andy, down. Oh, all the way down. That's a good boy. Super smart dog. But Andy thinks that he's a cat. And I'll prove this with my laser pointer. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's Andy. Get it. Oh. Where'd it go, Andy? There it is. There it is. Where is it? Oh. Where's it, Andy? Oh. Where'd it go? Andy, where's it? Where's it, boy? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Andy, look, there it is. Oh, where'd it go? Did you get it? Did you get it? Where is it? There it is. Oh, no, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, get it. Get it. Oh. There he is. Oh. Oh. Where is it? Where is it, Andy? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh. Get it. Andy. Hey. Andy. Sit. Andy. Sit. You really want it? You want it, Andy? You want it? Here, you ready? Down. Andy. He's focused. Look at that focus. Now let's check something. Last check. Training check. Andy, sit. Andy, look, stay. Look at Poppy. Hey, Andy, focus. Focus, stay. Stay. Andy, stay. That takes a lot of concentration, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Get it. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. And that is my purse dog, Andy. Andy. Hey. Oh, yeah, boy. Will you say bye? Andy. Hey, look right here. Right here. Andy. Andy. Look. It's right here. Hey. Say bye.